Hey everybody, Forrest and Sean here, ripping 4 boxes of 2023 Topps Chrome F1 Hobby for Juan C. Good luck, Juan. Here we go. All right, for Verstappen on the camber. Speed Demons Ocon. Frozen Uncrustables, right on. What's up, SC?
What up, man?
Ooh, check that out. Grand Prix Driver of the Day, Spain, checkered flag, gold, Lewis Hamilton.
Frozen Uncrustables, baby.
37 to 50, Lou Ham, very nice. Future Stars, Novalock, Refractor.
I love Frozen Uncrustables.
Sergio Perez. Refractor of Correa. Mini Diamond out of 299 is Max Verstappen. Very nice. Grand Prix winner France. This is a good first box here. Numbered to Hamilton and Verstappen. Purple-green Verstappen. Refractor Victor Martins.
How much money is this guy worth?
Max Verstappen?
Yeah.
A lot. An auto here, we got Roman Stanek. Nice Roman Stanek auto. Refractor of Mick Schumacher. What?
Hell yeah, it is.
Speed Demons Ricardo. Refractor Sebastian Vettel. Oh, sorry, I have the wrong name up there still. Why did it not save? Oh, it literally didn't hit save. Sorry about that one. This is your 4-boxer though. No other 4-boxers tonight. To 150, Aqua Wave, Logan Sargent. Nice rookie Sargent. Bottas.
When's the last time you've been to an IHOP?
I don't know.
Seriously, what do you think?
I honestly don't know, man.
I don't either.
At least 5+ years. It's a bit more than that, but that's like my safe estimate. Benavides, checkered flag.
No.
Lance Stroll refractor. Oh, jeez.
Gotta stop huffing that Nesquik, man.
Purple rookie Oscar Piastri to 399. Formula One freshest. Dude, this first box has been killer. Awesome numbered parallels and auto as well.
Oh, the hard soda. Oh boy. I'll quit drinking once I quit my job.
Honestly, same. But
I heard
let's
that.
be real, that ain't happening anytime soon. Green Bottas to 99. Jack Crawford Future Stars refractor. That was a really good first box. Refractor Fittipaldi. Robert working at the Hard Do factory.
Oh boy, don't do that.
Yeah, Robert's definitely working at putting in overtime at the Hard Do factory.
He'll have an IV in his arm.
Dude, another Lewis Hamilton. What the hell's going on, dude? A 50 on the checkered flag gold. 2 Hamilton checkered flag gold. Got Joe. Purple green Carlos Sainz. Refractor Max Verstappen. Piastri on the inserts. Mini Diamond numbered to 299. Max Verstappen, Grand Prix winner, France. Lewis Hamilton, Camber. Speed Demons, Ocon. Fractor of Dennis Hauger. What's going on now? They stink?
No. Wayne just texted me.
Oh, jeez. Magnuson Refractor. Can only imagine. Flames in California, what he's texting you. Max Verstappen.
Let's just say Lane is aight.
A Logan Logan Sargent rookie for Williams.
He's definitely in the rainforest.
Yeah, I can imagine. Daravala Future Stars checkered flag for MP. Oaklandberg Refractor. Yeah, actually, he's never been there before. Purple Lando. Purple Lando checkered flag out of 199. Well, that's how it was. Not like that, but like when Cortez and I went out there for that event that one May. It was like right when you guys first started working here, you and Sam. But like, just how it was.
Oh, dude, I went there with him last
The
year.
places you go to get it there are just so different.
Yeah.
Way different. Daniel
with
Ricciardo.
him. I was with him last year.
Yeah, it's so different,
He
man.
sent me and him out there.
Purple rookie Logan Sargent out of 399.
But once again, you're so
Lando
busy.
Refractor.
You're so busy. You don't
Oh,
you
yeah.
don't
No,
get
I
to
mean, just
delay.
like,
It's just go. Sleep. Go.
an auto, Richard Vershoor. 2 boxes, 2 autos, good color as well. Richard Vershoor, Sonoda. Nice Piastri rookie Fuchsia Lava. Holy cow, man. 107 to 250. Oh, some tough scuffs on this one. I'm going to send a box and a wrapper, Juan. Yeah, this one's a bit scratched up somehow. Sorry about that. We'll get the box and wrapper out so you can try to get that one replaced. Again, I want to get the Piastri replaced, I would assume. I hadn't seen that on a card. You had an F1 Chrome. Refractor is Oliver Behrman. Fuchsia Lava to 250, Kevin Magnuson. Currently watching NASCAR?
No.
We got ESPN. We got like nothing on. Verstappen purple checkered flag out of 199. Refractor Bravi.
Where would NASCAR be running right now? Like Dubai or something?
Verstappen. Oh, is that you mean? Watch.
What is that? Oh, I thought he was talking about like right now.
F1 Gold Wave. Ooh,
Yeah.
Here we go. Speed Demons. Nico Hulkenberg, 16 to 50. That looks sick. Gold Wave Speed Demons. Jake's a Speed Demon, dude.
Yeah.
Refractor Mike Crack.
There he is. That's my guy.
Best driver, huh? Mike Crack.
Yep.
Mike Crack.
Is whack. No, Mike Crack's the man. I'm glad he's in it. Just made my day. Love Mike Crack.
Mike Crack, yeah.
Yeah.
Oscar Piastri Speed Demons. Purple or red and orange of sure. Purple and green of Behrman. Refractor Lewis Hamilton. That pack was trying to taste the rainbow, dude. Schumacher. Michael Schumacher. Speed Demon Sergio. Speed Demons Brashear. He didn't like Jack Porkins.
Jesus.
Refractor rookie Logan Sargent. It's like the whole meme, dude, is that this big dude and
They killed him.
they
with the name.
named him Porkins.
Porkins. Wow. That's awesome.
Dude, it's so ridiculous.
That's rough, man.
Dude, come on, George Lucas. Come on, man. Purple checkered to 199 Lewis Hamilton.
You also got fifth sister and eighth brother and.
Well, yeah, but Porkins is like the first movie.
Oh yeah, that's right. True.
Before it started getting all this other stuff, man. Baltos checkered flag. Dude, Jack Porkins, the best. Leclerc dies like in the it dies within like a few minutes of screen time. Purple gold of Fernando Alonso. Refractor Pierre Gasly.
Oh yeah, Porkins.
Purple refractor out of 399, Max Verstappen. Leclerc. One more. Been a really good break for you, Juan. Appreciate the order, buddy. Let's close out strong here. Gold refractor, sorry, gold purple Max Verstappen. Refractor Vasseur. Aqua Wave, number to 150, Max Verstappen, driver of the day, Miami. Red Bull. Speed Demons Bottas. Purple checkered out of 199 is going to be Pierre Gasly. Refractor Lance Stroll. Checkered flag, Sergio Perez. Driver of the day, Monte Carlo. Refractor, Roy Nissany. Yeah, he only wins like all the races, I think. Speed Demons, Coulthard. Didn't they have like 3 races at the end of last season that didn't literally matter because he already won the championship or something like that? It was something crazy.
What fun is that?
Extractor of Alonso. Refractor, Alan Prost. The issue is like, if the cars that one team is building are that much better, that's like the difference.
Yeah, but I mean, what the hell? Figure it out, other teams.
No, I know. That's the whole thing about F1 is it's always about like innovation. Who can get the fastest, like the fastest vehicle. Got to have the driver, but like, it's where the edge is made. It's where it's all different. You get the best drivers when you're the best team. You get the best car. You know what I mean? Like, Purple Steiner out of 399. Refractor Alonso. Chevy S10. Oh my God. A 99 Chevy S10. There's no way that thing goes above 60.
Dude, I had an S10 back in 90.
Max Verstappen. Dude, I could Fred Flintstone a vehicle faster than your Chevy S10.
Got him. What's up, Notorious? B.I.G.
What's up, Notorious?
Baby.
Mini Diamond at 299. Nico Hulkenberg. 6 miles with the speed of sounds. Refractor is award winners.
You try to find that thing, you think it's a drive-by from all the backfire. And go, wow.
4th of July out here?
People start diving all over the place.
Max Verstappen. And a green to 99. Enzo Fittipaldi. On the back. The George Russell. Appreciate it, Juan. Pretty good break there for you. We'll get those cards out to you.